Hello everybody. Crown down technique is a very common technique and is one of the safest techniques which is used in endodontics for biomechanical preparation. What is crown down technique? The crown down technique involves the widening of canal orifices with Gates-Glidden drill in the coronal 1/3, which is followed by incremental removal of organic canal contents, that is BMP, proceeding from middle 1/3 to apical 1/3 portion using manual files. In crown down technique, firstly the coronal 1/3 is prepared with the help of the Gates-Glidden, then the middle 1/3 or tapered section is prepared, then lastly the apical preparation is done, which is the apical 1/3 of the tooth. Using crown down technique in posterior teeth which have a narrow canal using a rotary instrument is very easy and comfortable, but there is a great amount of dilemma and confusion of how to use crown down technique in anterior tooth where root canals are very much wide. Doing crown down technique in anterior tooths with wider canal is very difficult because using rotary in those canal may not be feasible. The reason is the width of the canal is very much higher as compared to the diameter of the rotary, so the rotary instrument doesn't comes in contact with the dentinal wall. So today I will tell you a very easy technique of doing crown down preparation in anterior teeth with wider canals using hand K files. After X-ray, make an RCO and then enlarge it with the help of the orifice opener or Gates-Glidden, and then measure the working length using 15 or 10 number K file. Perform copious irrigation with sodium hypochlorite between every step. Then insert a larger file, file number 60, in the coronal 1/3 of the root canal till the depth of 3 mm or 15 mm away from the permanent landmark. Use 60 number file in a pressureless technique without any apical force with minimum resistance. Take it out as soon as you feel any resistance. Always use files in a watch wind fashion, and as soon as 60 number file gets loosened, remove it out and shift to another smaller size file, that is 55. Once the file number 55 gets loosened, then shift to another smaller file, that is 45. Keep shifting on smaller files as the file becomes loose. Between every step, keep recapitulating the entire working length with the help of file number 15 or 20. Keep shifting on smaller files till you reach the appropriate pre-measured working length. In between all these steps, keep doing copious irrigation of sodium hypochlorite. After file number 45 get loosened, shift to file number 40, and evidently if you reach the working length, then stop the process. So this process forms the first series of the biomechanical preparation, which started from file number 60, then 55, 50, 45 and 40. So at 40 number file we reached the working length, and then the apical snug fitting was achieved. After this there is second series of preparation in which we select file number 70, which is one size larger than 60, and then we go to 55, 50 and 45. Please notice in second series that we have prepared the apical preparation to one size larger, that is 45 up till the working length. In the third series we will start from another larger file, that is file number 80, and then 70, 60, 55 and 50. In the third series you will notice that we have achieved apical preparation till file number 50 up till the working length. So now we can summarize that there are three series 1, 2 and 3, and in first series we got the apical preparation of 40 number file, in second series we got 45, and in third series we got 50. Benefits of crown down technique. Biomechanical preparation of very wide canals in anterior tooth which is not possible to be done by rotary can be easily done with crown down technique using first, second and third series of files. Chances of file fracture is very low as the preparation are very wide. Thirdly, irrigation is very easy and efficient, and extrusion of debris in the periapical is not possible. There are two cardinal rules: recapitulation with 15 and 20 number file between every step, and thorough copious irrigation. Thank you.